Hi guys, welcome to today's Clean With Me. I have a super messy apartment. I don't know how I let it get so bad, but today we are going to take the time to clean everything up and put things away. So I'm starting in our little laundry room closet, just wiping things down because it gets really dusty in there, as well as cleaning off the garbage can. So here is a look at the before. I know it's crazy. I have so much stuff on the countertops. I have dishes in the sink. Things just need to be put away and cleaned up. So that is the goal for today. So let's go ahead and get started. I had recently taken a trip to Hobby Lobby and picked up some really fun craft supplies. So I had those all laid out because I was checking them out and playing with them with my Cricut machine. So they all just kind of accumulated on the kitchen counters. So now we're going to start by wiping down the kitchen counters and sanitizing everything, cleaning it all off, and making sure to put anything back that was on the countertops that doesn't belong there. I am making sure to clean off the refrigerator handles because those kind of get grimy and sticky. And I also made sure to clean out the microwave because I feel like something always splatters in there. So now I'm moving along to the dishwasher and putting away all the clean dishes that were in the dishwasher so that I can refill it with some dirty ones and run another load. Now I'm going to take care of those dishes that were sitting in the sink and load up the dishwasher so that those are out of the way. I love to use Barkeeper's Friend to clean out the sink and really refresh it and scrub it down, especially when there's been dirty dishes sitting in there. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just scrubbing it out, getting all the grime and dirt out of there and cleaning it off. Next up, we are tackling my crafting supplies that were just sitting out on the kitchen countertop because they definitely don't belong here. So I'm moving them out of the way so that I can clean this section of the kitchen counter. So I'm just finishing up some dusting on the kitchen countertops, and I absolutely love this sign that says my kids have paws. I've been fostering kittens for about 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. They're my babies, they're my kids, they're so darn cute, and I love every minute of fostering them. So here is the final look at the clean kitchen. It feels so good to have everything cleaned up, dusted off, and off the countertops. So now we are taking a peek at the before of my dining room. Oh my gosh, I know. It's crazy. So you can see that all the craft supplies that I had in the kitchen just kind of got moved here. They just kind of get moved from room to room until I find their home. So this is the before, and let's go ahead and get cleaning. we're gonna go ahead and get started by removing all of the clutter that's accumulated on the dining room table, which is all those craft supplies. I'm taking them back to my bedroom because I have a whole craft shelf in there, so I'm finding their homes and putting them away. After getting the dining room table back in order, I head over to my little Cricut station. This sits on a microwave cart with our pots and pans, so I just put that back in order. And then I go ahead and dust off this little table that's by our door, our front door, that holds like our keys, our sunglasses, and my purse. And here is the after shot of our dining room area. It looks so much better. I still have a few items that are on the dining room table that I need to take care of, but overall it is a huge improvement. Now I am showing you the before of our living room area. It's not too bad, but everything does need to be dusted, and obviously I need to take care of this old Cricut machine. I was having some issues with my Cricut machine, so luckily customer service was so nice and helpful and was able to help me get a replacement that's working great. So I have a lot of stuff on our end table, and I just need to kind of fluff the couch and everything and get things put back in order. So I'm going to start by putting away the Cricut machine, the old one that's not working, that I can send back to Cricut. Next up, I'm going to start by dusting our entertainment center. We have a lot of little decor pieces and picture frames that collect dust, so I just want to get those dusted off and wipe down the TV as well. And I go ahead and take all of our baskets out at the bottom to dust around them. You'll also see that we have a lot of little kitten toys around our entertainment center here. We are just storing those toys because we're in between foster kittens right now, like I mentioned earlier. So when we get a new kitten, we'll pull out all the toys so they can play with them. But for right now, they're just sitting there. Next, I'm going to head outside to our little balcony area. I have some plants out there that I'm going to water, and I just like to wipe down the whole patio area just so it stays nice and clean so we can go outside and enjoy the sunshine. Next up, I'm going to take care of some miscellaneous items that made their way to the couch, like my laptop. I'm going to fluff up the pillows and fold the blanket, and then take care of all the items that are on our end table here and make sure that that's nice and clean. Here's the after shot of the living room. Everything's dusted, fluffed, folded, and put away. I do still have to vacuum in here, but that's coming up in a little bit. So next we're gonna move on to our small little office area. It's just a really tiny shelf with our printer on it, and that stores all of our office supplies. So here is the before shot. Things were just kind of set up there. It kind of is just a catch-all sometimes, so I want to make sure that I get all those things put away and clean the shelf off. The next spot we're heading into is my bathroom, which is my least favorite spot to clean because of this right here. I hate cleaning the toilet, but it needs to be done. So I'm just making sure to wipe everything down and sanitize it, as well as scrub inside the toilet so everything is nice and clean. I'm next going to wipe down the vanity and clean off the mirrors and make sure everything is looking good and put away anything that needs to be put away. So now the bathroom is looking much better. We are going to head on into my bedroom, and now my bedroom is a complete disaster. So pretty much everything from the rest of the apartment that didn't belong there gets moved into here, and then I take care of it. So this is my desk. It's a complete mess. I have some plates and silverware from breakfast. My bed has all the crafting supplies that I had moved along from the rest of the apartment. I haven't made my bed. I've got clothing everywhere. My bedside table is a mess, so we've got a lot of work to do in here, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get started at the bedside table. I'm going to remove all of the items that are on there, clean it off, dust it, get everything put away, and then put everything back on that I like to keep on there. So a couple books for some before bed reading, and my alarm clock and my phone charger. Next up, we are taking care of the stack of craft supplies that is on my bed. This is my little craft shelf that I have here in my room, so I'm just going to dust it off a little bit and then take care of all the items that were on my bed and file them away on the shelf. Now that we finally cleared off all the miscellaneous items that ended up on my bed, we can go ahead and make my bed. That's usually my first step to cleaning my room because I feel so much better once it's made. So I'm just gonna put my pajamas back and make my bed. Now it's time to tackle my desk. So first step is to remove everything off of my desk so that I can give it a nice wipe down, clean everything off, and then I can slowly put back the items that I actually need on my desk. And I can take care of the items that just landed there that I need to file away, or bills I need to pay, or anything like that I can take care of at this time. That desk looks so much better. So here's the after shot of my desk and my little office area, and also my bedroom. It feels so good to have everything cleaned, picked up, dusted off, put away. It looks so great, much better than it was before, and I'm so excited to have this done. One of the last steps in cleaning my apartment is to take some Febreze spray and spray that around. This is the Island Nectar scent, which I highly recommend. It smells amazing, just to get everything smelling fresh and clean towards the end of my day of cleaning. And then the last step is to go ahead and vacuum. So I'm pulling my vacuum out and vacuuming our hardwood in the kitchen and dining room area. And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the carpet in our living room area as well as my bedroom. And the very last step is to light a candle. This is the end of my cleaning routine. I love having a fresh candle lit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.